Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the cheapest internet providers that are right now on the market and what are some important things that you need to know. So it's important to say that when you look for cheap internet plan, it needs to be for daily use. You need to check if it's going to be sufficient for you, if it can be unlimited data, also if it got Wi-Fi requirement, and you want to check if there are like hidden fees or some kind of like contracts. And if, like, this is going to be the most important thing, if you're going to actually check the internet, and if it's going to be full monthly cost after the promo pricing ends. So let's say first year it's going to be great and then it's like increases a lot. That's something that you need to know. Now the first thing is Verizon, the fiber, which is going to be like 300 megabytes per second for like $49 a month with autopay. So this is something that you can actually check out and see for yourself if it's going to be sufficient. You have unlimited data, no contract, fast uploads and downloads, and you have limited availability. So it's great for streaming, gaming, and even work from home. Now the Xfinity cable, you have plan which is going to be $35 a month, but after a year it can like increase. So this is something that you can be aware of. Also sometimes as low as $19 for the first year, and after the promotion the internet price increases. So this is something that you have to actually like be aware of. Now also then there's going to be like a T-Mobile, which is going to be like 5G home internet. So that's something also that you can check out. You have flat like $50 a month, which can be also great. And you have like, it really depends by location, but you can get great internet. No contract, easy setup, unlimited, but it's less consistent comparing to fiber and cable. So this is something that you can be, really depends where you live, but this can be a good choice for you. Also there is like another one called the CenturyLink. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself. Now you don't have contract, no data cap, and you have $55 a month, but it really depends on the location. It's not so well known like others, but again, this one you can also check out. And then you have also the last one that I want to share with you, or like last two, is Mediacom and Frontier Fiber 200. So this is something that also that you can check out. And the Frontier Fiber 200 is also not well known, but that's something that can be also possibly good for you. Now what you can also choose is to buy your own modem router. You can save like $10-15 a month. You can pick a plan with no contract. You can ask for promotions. Don't overpay for speeds you don't need. So like 200 to 300 is good for most, and you can use free Wi-Fi if you can on like libraries, parks, etc. And that's pretty much it for this video. So I just want to make this like quick and effective, what you can actually expect. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.